The courtroom has never been this tense. The trial of Sean Diddy Combs has taken a fiery turn, and the jury, they are not just listening anymore. They're fuming. From alleged lies under oath to explosive courtroom revelations, Diddy is watching his empire crumble in real time. What started as a quiet legal proceeding has now morphed into a full-blown spectacle, with the public, the press, and the powerful all on edge. Today, we're breaking down the courtroom chaos, the jury's outrage, the shocking motion to suppress the infamous Cassie video, and the devastating evidence that could send one of hip-hop's most iconic moguls behind bars for good. Stay tuned as we unpack every twist, betrayal, and legal bombshell. And before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a breaking update from this explosive case. Now, let's dive in. A trial like no other. Day 2 of Diddy's trial started like any other, until it didn't. The moment the court revisited the infamous hotel video showing Diddy dragging his former partner Cassie, everything changed. Initially, Diddy had admitted to the incident, even posting a heartfelt apology on Instagram. But then, he deleted the apology. Just a week before trial, Diddy's legal team filed a motion claiming the video was fake, edited, manipulated, and inadmissible. The jury, however, wasn't buying it. Court insiders report visible disbelief on jurors' faces, with one source saying, "You could feel the tension shift." They don't like being lied to. Diddy's legal team in panic mode. With the video playing a central role in the prosecution's case, Diddy's defense is scrambling. They've brought in expert witnesses, including a forensic video analyst named Conan McCord, to claim the footage was tampered with by CNN. The defense alleges the footage was sped up, spliced out of order, and lacked authenticity. But CNN has pushed back hard. They say the original video exists, unaltered, and stands by its accuracy. If the jury believes Diddy lied about the video after apologizing, it opens the door to perjury charges, a serious offense that could add years to his potential sentence. The jury reacts. Reports from inside the courtroom describe jurors exchanging glances, fidgeting, and furrowing brows as Diddy's contradictions became apparent. One insider claimed, "They looked angry, betrayed, even." This isn't just about guilt anymore. It's about trust. Federal prosecutors know how important jury perception is. When Diddy claimed the video was fake after publicly apologizing for it, they pounced, accusing him of manipulating the narrative and disrespecting the court's integrity. Cassie takes center stage. And then there's Cassie. The woman at the heart of this storm has confirmed she will testify under her real name, not as Jane Doe. That alone adds weight to her story. She dated Diddy for over a decade, and she's reportedly prepared to talk about everything, from manipulation and abuse to the so-called freak-off parties that the prosecution claims were used to control and coerce victims. Cassie's presence in court, along with the shocking video evidence, has only deepened the jury's emotional response. Her decision to testify openly could be the nail in the coffin for Diddy's defense. Diddy's collapsing defense. Diddy's legal team isn't just struggling, they're fracturing. One of his top attorneys, Anthony Rico, recently filed to be removed from the case, citing an inability to effectively serve Diddy. Behind the scenes, rumors swirled that even Grubman, Shire, Meiselas, and Sachs, a firm that represented Diddy for over 20 years, dropped him under pressure from high-profile clients like Lady Gaga. Now, with a weakened legal team, mounting evidence, and increasing jury hostility, Diddy's options are shrinking fast. The too drunk to know defense. In a last-ditch effort, Diddy's attorneys filed a motion claiming diminished capacity, arguing that drugs and alcohol impaired his ability to comprehend his actions. According to the motion, a psychiatrist will testify that Diddy was often under the influence and lacked mental capacity during critical incidents. The court's response? Not impressed. Prosecutors have moved to strike that testimony, insisting that Diddy's long-standing pattern of behavior suggests control, not confusion. The jury, now already skeptical of Diddy's truthfulness, may see this move as yet another manipulation tactic. The hotel staff cover-up allegations. Another bombshell dropped this week as insiders revealed that Diddy may have paid off hotel staff to keep the Cassie video under wraps. According to legal experts, this could be grounds for obstruction of justice and witness tampering. Security personnel reportedly failed to report the incident to authorities, despite knowing it was captured on surveillance. Social media is ablaze with questions. Who else is involved? How far did the cover-up go? The plea deal that was rejected. Court documents confirm that federal prosecutors offered Diddy a plea deal, a chance to reduce his sentence in exchange for testimony against co-conspirators. But Diddy refused. His reason? He's betting on a trial victory. But with the government's 97% conviction rate and a mountain of damning evidence, many believe Diddy made a fatal miscalculation. Legal experts agree. Turning down a plea deal with this much evidence on the table is a dangerous move. If he loses, he could spend the rest of his life behind bars. Media frenzy and public outrage. As the trial unfolds, the court of public opinion is weighing in fast. Hashtags like #DiddyTrial, #JusticeForcacy, and #Jurage are trending daily. Some celebrities have distanced themselves, deleting past photos or endorsements with Diddy. Others, like 50 Cent, have amplified calls for accountability. Multiple outlets now report that more victims and whistleblowers are preparing to come forward, emboldened by the trial's momentum. Jury selection, no ordinary task. Jury selection has also become a battlefield. Diddy's team argued for a 2-month delay to prepare, but the judge denied it, insisting that the trial will move forward as planned. The court has assembled 45 jurors, asking direct questions like, are you comfortable watching explicit content? And can you remain impartial despite Diddy's celebrity? The answers? Revealing. According to sources, several jurors expressed discomfort with the case's explicit nature. Others voiced anger at the thought of being misled by public figures. The prosecution wants jurors who see beyond celebrity. Diddy's team wants to avoid another PR disaster in court. The mountain of evidence. What's next for Diddy? The prosecution reportedly has hundreds of hours of surveillance footage from Diddy's properties. FBI experts are decrypting this data, and sources say that what's been uncovered already is enough to implicate not just Diddy, but dozens of other individuals. Diddy's former associates, employees, and guests at his parties may soon be subpoenaed. For many, the walls are closing in. Final showdown approaches. With Cassie's testimony, a jury that's already skeptical, a defense in shambles, and an avalanche of evidence on the way, Diddy's future has never looked bleaker. Some are calling this the Harvey Weinstein moment for the music industry, a reckoning long overdue. Prosecutors are pushing for maximum exposure in court, and they've made it clear. This isn't just about one man, it's about a system that protected predators for too long. As the trial against Sean Diddy Combs rages on, one thing is clear, the jury is watching, the public is listening, and the truth is no longer optional. Every motion, every tape, every testimony is pushing the walls closer in. Will Diddy finally be held accountable? Or will he find a way to escape justice once again? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you want to stay informed as this case unfolds, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. You won't want to miss what comes next. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned, because this storm is far from over.